Welcome class 11th students. As you know, we are discussing about mathematical tools, and in mathematical tools we had discussed about integration, and today I will tell you what is the application of integration in physics. So I will put some examples for you. Let's suppose I ask find out the formula. First equation, V is equal to U plus AT. This question is given to you, and find out, this is given here in NCERT, and find out this by calculus method. So we have to use the calculus method. See there how can we use. So first, what isolation? A is equal to dV upon dt. We have to start from here because this is the velocity and time graph. Okay, A is equal to dV upon dt. The rate of change in velocity is called acceleration. Now cross multiply, what we get here? dV is equal to A dt. dV is equal to A dt. Integrating both sides, you better know your velocity started from U to V. This is initial velocity, this is final velocity. How can we define the limit? This is the important point for you now. So now in that lecture I will tell you how can we decide the what limits. Okay, so what a velocity of limit, you better know. If it is dx is given, you have to take x1 to x2. If d theta is given, you have to take from theta 1 to theta 2. But here velocity is given, you have to take from U to V or V1 to V2. But you better know initial velocity is U and final velocity is V. What is the time limit for time? You better know here dt. So you have to take the limit from time, not for a. So what a time? Better know initial velocity at 0 time, and its time is what? T. Its limit will be from 0 to t. Okay. So what a limit? U to V, and its limit will be what? 0 to t. We have to integrate as a definite integration, which is already taught. Okay, so what integration of dV? You better know, you have to know the formula dx. Integration of dx is equal to what? X. You better know, this is the integration formula. So what dV is equal to? V, where is V? dV integration is V, limit U to V is equal to, A is constant. What integration of dt? Its integration is t, because integration of dt is t, because dx is equal to x. Limit 0 to t, higher limit minus sign low limit. So in the place of V you have to put V. V minus sign V become U is equal to, A is constant, out. What a dt? Higher limit t and lower limit 0, it will be t minus what? 0. So what we get here? V minus U is equal to, you will get 80. So V is equal to U plus 80. See there how easily we can get the formula. In class 9th, you have to study that this formula is deducted by graphical method. But here we can do it by calculus method, and the formula was given V is equal to U plus 80. And you have to start, you should know the formula. A is equal to dV upon dt, then you can do it. Okay, so dV is equal to A dt, and by that method integrate, and you have to decide the limit. How? According to that, if dV is given, you have to take the limit of V. If dx is given, you have to take the limit of x. Here dt is given, you have to take the limit of t. It can take t1 to t2 as well, because t2 minus t1 is equal to again t. You better know. Okay, so this is the first answer for you. Are you getting the point? Okay, we are studying the application of integration in physics, because our aim is physics. Okay. Second, what was the second equation? Second was S is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. You better know S is the distance or displacement. We have to start and from velocity. Velocity is equal to dx upon dt. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. This is the instantaneous velocity. V is equal to dx upon dt. Later I will teach you. V is equal to dx upon dt. Cross multiply. What we get here? Dx is equal to V dt. Here we are studying the application of integration in physics. What is value of V? We have to know V is equal to U plus AT. We know the V. So what we get here? Dx is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT into what? dt. Integrating both sides. Where is it? Integrating both sides. What will be limit? You better know. No need to tell additionally. Here dx is given, it will be from x1 to what? x2. Here dt is given, you have to take from 0 to t or from t1 to t2 as well. You can take. Okay. Now integrate it. Dx integration is x. Limit x1 to x2 is equal to u. It is a integration of addition. You split in two way. U dt limit 0 to t plus integration at dt 0 to t. Okay, here put the limit x2 minus x1 is equal to u is constant, out. What integration of limit? What integration of dt? You better know. Integration of dt is t, limit 0 to t plus A is out of integration. What is t dt? T, you better know integration of x dx is equal to what? X square by 2. So what we will get? T dt, t square by 2. Limit 0 to t. You have to put higher limit minus sign, lower limit. So it will be displacement, you better know, x2 minus x1 displacement as is equal to u. Higher limit, in the place of t you have to put the t, it will be t, and in the place of t if you put the 0, it will become 0, no need to write. It will be ut plus 1 upon 2 a is common. In the place of t square you have put the t, it will be 1 upon 2 what? A t square. When you put the 0, it becomes 0, so no need to write this one. So answer becomes yes is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. By integration method, we can easily find we can easily drag the formula yes is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. This is the second question. Third one. What is third one? V square is equal to u square plus 2as. See here. Here V is there, A is there, S is there. You have to use the function of function, which is already taught. So we will start from here. A is equal to, by that you can start here. A is equal to dV upon dt. By that formula you can't get the answer because displacement is given as well. Okay. So we can use it. A is equal to dV upon dx into dx upon dt. You better know. V is function of x and x is function of what? T. So it will call function of function. So dv upon dt could be written as dv upon dx into dx upon dt. dx cancel, you will get same. But here dx upon dt you better know it is velocity. Just I told. dx upon dt is velocity. What we can write? A is equal to dv upon dx into what? V. Into V. dx upon dt is V. Cross multiply. A dx is equal to V dv. V dv. Integrating both sides. What a limit? Here you can see the limit dx is given. Its limit will be x1 to x2. Here limit is given. dv is given. We have to take u to v. Okay. A is constant. What a dx? dx integration is x. Limit x1 to x2 is equal to v dv. X dx is equal to x square by 2. So v dv is equal to v square upon 2. Limit u to v. High limit minus sign, low limit, it will be a x2 minus x1 is equal to x2 minus x1 is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is constant. In the place of v you have to put the v. It will be v square minus, according to rule, in the place of v you have to put u. It will be u square. This is yes. So cross multiply 2as is equal to 2 cross multiply 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Very easy way you can get the answer. So this is all about your application of integration in physics. Okay, that's all for today.